On 9th of March 2020, we started our trip to the Union Territory of Diu. We drove from Dwarka, where we stayed the previous night. The links to the videos of our trip to Dwarka and the drive from Dwarka to Diu are given in the description box below. Driving on the bridge connecting the island of Diu with the mainland. This is the Diu harbour area. Going towards the Diu fort, the roads here are of very good quality and it would be a pleasure to drive here. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more travel videos and information in the future. The Diu fort is seen at a distance. Entering the parking area at the Diu fort, parking is absolutely free at this spot. Boating can be done at this spot. Entry to the Diu fort is free and you do not have to buy any tickets. Photography is also free here. Diu fort is a huge area and has a walking trail. It has a lighthouse and panoramic views of the ocean and the surroundings can be enjoyed from the top of the fort. To see the fort properly, it may take approximately 2 to 3 hours. I have made a separate video of my trip to the Diu fort which is coming up in my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. This is the St. Paul's Church. It was closed when we reached there, so we could not enter the church, but the view from the outside is also majestic. Now we are on our way to the Jalandhar beach. At the Jalandhar beach. Our next destination was Naida Caves, but we could not visit the caves as the local authorities informed us that the caves have been closed for the public and renovation work was underway. We also went to the INS Kukri Memorial only to find that it was also under renovation and construction. INS Kukri was the only Indian ship that was sunk off the coast of Diu by the Pakistan Navy in the 1971 India-Pakistan War, where India defeated Pakistan and freed Bangladesh. Now driving on the coastal highway in Diu, this will surely give you a feeling of driving in any of the coastal highways in Europe. truly a fantastic experience. Reach the Gangeshwar Mahadev temple. This temple is situated just beside the sea and is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The Shivlings in this temple are washed by the sea's tidal waves. Watching the vast and endless sea from here is a treat for the eyes. This is the Diu Harbour area. Now it was time to say bye to Diu. However, this is a place worth coming more than once. We will also come back. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please share this video with others who like to travel, drive and explore and see new places.